Hey there, social media enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got something special for you. We're going to unlock the 5 secrets to dominating social media marketing. If you're ready to take your online presence to the next level, then you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in. Secret number 1: know your audience. It all starts with understanding who your target audience is. Take the time to research their demographics, interests, and pain points. This knowledge will help you create content that resonates with them and drives engagement. Secret number 2: consistency is key. Building a strong presence on social media requires consistent effort. Be consistent in posting quality content, maintaining a regular posting schedule, and engaging with your audience. Remember, staying top of mind is crucial in the fast-paced social media landscape. Secret number 3: visual storytelling. Humans are visual creatures, and captivating visuals can significantly boost your social media engagement. Invest in high-quality images, videos, and graphics that align with your brand. Make sure your visuals are eye-catching, shareable, and tell a story that resonates with your audience. Secret number 4: engage, engage, engage. Social media is not a one-way street. Actively engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking questions, and participating in relevant discussions. Show your followers that you value their input and build meaningful connections. And now, for secret number 5: data-driven decision-making. To dominate social media marketing, you need to leverage the power of analytics. Analyze your social media metrics, track what content performs best, and use those insights to refine your strategy. By making data-driven decisions, you can optimize your efforts and achieve better results. And there you have it, the 5 secrets to dominating social media marketing. Remember, knowing your audience, consistency, visual storytelling, engagement, and data-driven decision-making are the keys to success. So go out there, implement these secrets, and watch your social media presence soar. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights on social media marketing. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.